everyone, Mike Wilson here with Glideaway to talk about the Elevate feature. Glideaway is the only manufacturer out there that has an Elevate feature for your adjustable base. That's an accessory bolt-on add-on. This allows you to sell our 500 model and our 600 model traditionally, or with the Elevate feature. So it's like having 4 bases and only 2. The Elevate feature is unique in the sense that we know customers can get benefits for sleeping in zero gravity using anti-snore features for heartburn, reflux, snoring, sinus pressure, those basic medical needs. But what about your customers that are side sleepers and stomach sleepers? We asked WebMD, how do most people sleep? And then we gave them the answer, or the question, do you sleep on your stomach, your back, or your side? And 90% of customers said they are either a side sleeper or a stomach sleeper. So that means 9 out of 10 customers have a hard time maybe getting over the fact of being able to sleep on your back and getting the benefits of zero gravity, but they have some of these ailments that need to be solved. So to being able to give them an Elevate accessory for their base, to be able to raise the head of the bed while the mattress is still in a flat position, you can sleep on your side, you can sleep on your stomach, and get the benefits of having your shoulders and your head raised. There again, helping with snoring, reflux, GERD, sinus pressure, a lot of those ailments that are going to get a benefit for having your shoulders elevated. So the Elevate accessory is available in twin extra long and queen size. Reach out to your sales rep and they'll get more information for you. Thanks and have a good day.